What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list and import CSV file into Mailchimp. So first you need to log into your Mailchimp account, and then in the new tab, you need to open the Excel. And after opening the Excel, you just need to make sure that you have created a table prior to importing it in the Mailchimp. So as you can see, this is my table. From here, I'll click on File on the left side and then hover to Export and then click on Download as CSV. Now this will download my file as CSV, and after that, when my file has been downloaded, I'll just save it in my desktop and I'll click on Save. And after that, I'll come back to Mailchimp, and from here, I'll click on Audience, and in the audience section on the right side, you can see the add contacts section. Click on this and then click on import contacts. And after that, you will see three options to import from another service: upload a file by using CSV or copy and paste. I'll choose use CSV to upload a file. And after that, I'll click on continue. After clicking on continue here, you can see the select file option. Click on this and then select the recent file that you just downloaded. You can see I have selected this file and I'll click on open, and after that here is the file that I have downloaded from the Excel. I'll click on continue and this will upload the file in my Mailchimp. As you can see, and now I have to create a current audience title, and after that, if I need to update any existing contacts, I'll just check this checkbox, but for now I don't want to, so I'll just keep it like that. And after that, I will search for create tags, let's say customer and staff, and I'll click on continue. After that, in the match section here, you need to match all the columns according to your MailChimp's field names. And when you are done, click on continue and click on confirm if some of the fields are unfilled or have changed name or different name. I'm sorry guys, I'm facing some issues regarding this required field. But if you continue from this section, after this section, you will be redirected to the subscribe section. From there, you can select the subscribe options, and then you will just complete your importing of CSV file to the Mailchimp. And then in the confirmation section, you just need to confirm all the details and you are done. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.